Who are the sharks? They're self-made millionaire and billionaire investors who are entrepreneurs themselves.
Sean Murphy went from being broke and homeless to creating a multi-billion-dollar business selling baby diapers. Brianna King, owner of a multi-trillion-dollar mineral makeup company, Breesia Cosmetics. All natural, vegan, cruelty-free. Breesia has it all.
So, hello sharks, we are Zapified. I'm Scott.
I'm Aaron.
So, Zapified, it's a smartphone application exclusively designed for UD students. And they can buy and sell anything at University of Delaware by using Zapified. All they need to do is to take a picture and write a simple description, and then they can post it. And all the students on campus will see the post and be able to buy it.
So we're asking for $100,000 for a 5% stake in our company. Let me tell you a little story. So I was shopping on Craigslist for a moped, and I found one. It was a beautiful red moped, bought it for $500 and got it home, ended up being stolen. So the police took it, and I'm out of moped right now. And so I was thinking, why don't we make a secure place for students to buy and sell things with each other? And enter Zapified. That's what we're trying to do.
I have a similar story. A year ago, I was still a freshman, and I bought a textbook in our bookstore. I spent $127. And at the end of the semester, I tried to sell the textbook back to the bookstore. You have no idea how much they pay me. Not $30, not $20, $5. And I got the money and went to McDonald's, bought the box of chicken nuggets. Trust me, that was the best chicken nuggets I've ever had. So wait a minute, something's probably wrong. I spent $127 on a box of chicken nuggets. So then this idea came across our mind. Why can't we create a market exclusively for UD students to help them buy and sell anything on campus?
So how many people do you currently have on your team?
We currently have 3 people. I'm CEO.
And I'm the CTO.
And we also have a marketing person.
Yeah.
So guys, what does Zapified do better than its competition?
Zapified has 3 main competitors: eBay, Craigslist, and UD Classifieds.
Alright, the reason why Zapified is better than all of them is Zapified is faster, simpler, and easier to use. So based on Aaron's story, Craigslist, it's really not a secure way to buy and sell things because you have no idea what's behind the deals. And Zapified, since it's all linked to our Facebook account and it's exclusively for UD students, so you know what's behind the deals. And they are UD students, so they are much safer than Craigslist. And comparing to UD Classified, since Zapified is a smartphone application, so you can use a built-in camera to take a picture and write a simple description. And all it takes is probably 20 seconds, then you can post it. It's really simple and fast. And also it has the social feature, so you can actually talk with all the sellers and buyers within this application. Also, you can browse through all the deals on our front page and to say what students are selling on campus at this moment now.
So tell us about your value proposition.
Our value proposition is a lot like Google's value proposition. We aim to be free to students and charge restaurants and local business ad space and charge them per post.
Yeah, currently we decided to charge them $50 per post. And also I think for students who don't want to buy and sell things but still want to promote their products, they can also buy our promotion post. And those are in-app purchases. And I think they will be probably $2 per post. And the difference between like regular post and promotion post, it's promotion posts, they are colored by different colors, and also they're on the top of each category. So all the students in this category, they'll see this post first.
Can you guys show us your balance sheet, cash flows, and income statements?
Yes, we can.
In 2013, we expect to make nothing since we are just starting. but in 2014, we expect half the businesses on Main Street to be posting regularly. The 26,000 comes from 10 businesses doing one post a week for $50 a post for 1 year. We expect all of the businesses on Main Street to sign up with us by the end of 2014. By 2015, we will be on multiple campuses nationwide. We expect to have an office building by 2015 where we will employ a dev team and a marketing team.
So, there's so many apps out there right now. What are you guys doing to advertise and promote the app?
So our promotion it's mainly based on social network now. And we have our Facebook account and also have our Twitter account.
So pretty much what we're doing with social networks are, with Facebook, we're trying to get people more involved with Zapified rather than just clicking like and moving on with your day. We're trying to get them to communicate with us, see what they want to do, and then by going to Twitter, we're getting them to take action. We're getting them to download the app, say what they want to post, and take action immediately.
Now, I know you guys said you were partnering with local businesses. How many have you actually partnered with so far?
That's a great question. We actually have 3 local businesses that we're currently partnered with. We're also in talks with Eric Aber of Homegrown, Ryan German of Cafe Gelato, and Joe McCoy of Cap and Rooney's to set up some deals.
What is your sales strategy?
So our sales strategy has 2 parts. The first part is that we are trying to get more users, which are students. And the second part is we are trying to get more business, which are the local business on Main Street. And in order to get more students, like what I mentioned before, we have our Facebook page and also Twitter account. We are trying to create more topics based on the current events happening on campus. So people, they talk about Zapified, they talk about all the events, and also they like Zapified. And in our application, you can also share your post on Facebook. So all your friends on Facebook, they will see your post, and also they will know Zapified through that post.
And as all the restaurant owners agreed on, once they go to other restaurants and they see what the other restaurants are doing, they want to take that into their restaurant to adopt it, and sort of they compete with each other. So if they post on Zapified, if one person posts on Zapified, then the next restaurant owner will want to post on Zapified as well to get their business out there.
So how much money have you personally invested so far in Zapified?
So far, we've rented a server, which was $20 for a year, and that's pretty much our only cost.
Oh yeah, we also have our developer account, which
Right.
is $99 per year.
Right.
What are you guys going to do with the money?
With the money, we plan to buy our own servers so that it'll be faster for the users to use, and we also want to hire a team of developers so that we can quickly branch out to the Android and Windows operating systems.
And of course, we need more promoters. And we want our application to be used like on every campus in the United States. So we will actually get more students on other campuses and let them help us to promote our product on their campuses.
So the app is to sell between students at the University of Delaware. What kind of items are they going to be selling?
Currently, we have 7 categories, and they are book, transportation, housing,
And furniture, electronics, fashion, and another category, or anything else that doesn't fit in those categories.
Do you guys plan on expanding outside of the 7 categories?
of course. And the whole process, for us, it's also a learning process. By trying to know what things the students here they want to sell. So later on, if we find out people they want to sell some product which is out of these 7 categories, I will definitely add them. So we learn from the students.
So based on our market research, we asked students what they sell the most, and they all said, dorm room stuff, textbooks, that kind of thing. So that's currently what we're offering, and we also put in another category based on, if they want to put other things up there, and that could eventually lead to other categories. We do plan to add a dating category because that's a huge part of campus and college life, so that should be pretty big.
So if you're meeting up with someone on Zapified, what happens if they steal your money? Who is going to be responsible for that?
That's a great question, and I'm glad you brought that up because the fact that it's through Facebook, it means that you know exactly who you're meeting up with. So if somebody were to steal your money and be that stupid, you could actually go to the cops and just say, "This is the person who stole my money," and the cops could just run a name check on him and get your money back right away.
So people make fake Facebook pages all the time. How are you going to tell if this person is authentic or not?
Oh, one thing you should remember, Zapified accounts is linked to our UDEL email address, and each UD student only has one UDEL email, so it's easy to track them down by using this UDEL email address.
So Sharks, who wants to zap it with Zapified?
Next week on Shark Tank.
I'm sorry, but this would never work.
What?
You know what? On second thought, I am not sorry, because this is god-awful.
So Sharks, who wants to partner with UD Classifieds?
He's gotta be kidding.
So I would rather skin myself with a cheese grater, cook it in gasoline, and then stab myself repeatedly, rather than invest with UD Classifieds.